The Christmas is near, so we have decided to make Goan perad. We have taken 1.5 kg of ripe guavas. We have cut it into 4 pieces, and now we are going to boil it with a little amount of water till they get soft. Once they are soft, grind it to a fine paste and then strain it. If we want, we can make the jelly out of the seeds of the guavas, but this time we have no time, so that's why we are not going to make the jelly. In that case, we have to grind only the skin for the pera, then have to keep the seeds separate for the jelly. But now we are making only perad, so we have grinded both the things together and we are going to strain the mixture. Once we have strained everything, we will keep it on the fire and cook it and add the same amount of sugar as per the amount of paste we have of the guavas. This is the right time to add the color if you need the perad to be red in color, or else you can leave it to get its own shade. I have added the gel color, that is magic red. We have to continuously stir the mixture, or else it will either bubble up and fall on the skin, or it will get stuck to the pan. Once you have reached to this stage, it nearly took for me 2.5 hours on the hot plate to prepare the perad. We have to add in the ghee at that stage and continue stirring it till it gets this thick. Enjoy the video. Please subscribe.